doors, running holes into walls, cracking doors, running holes into walls.
Da 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 da. Bitch, I'm other, fuck your mother, cause I don't wanna lurk in the dark. Bitch, I'm other, fuck your mother, and European standards of beauty, huh? The fuck? I'm black, I'm dark, I'm trans, I'm thick, the fuck? And I'm beautiful, ask my man, cause he be hard, then he goes hard, this pussy goes hard, nigga I swear, I was Mike Tyson, I step up against all the odds, I clench my teeth and I bite them, they surround me and I just fight them, no object needed to weaponize, I'm articulated, I speak my mind, dimensional, you don't know my kind, you got bad bitches and those bitches, then you got me, bitch, I'm other. Society continuously crafted a mold that I was too bold to fit in, but also told me to love my natural and not to fit in. Nigga, I stand out, now what? Now I got a ring around these bitches that we were told were very pretty, and be reminded we won't reach it. Outer circles, they were in the inner like a prop store. We were just fillers, treated like we got no feelings. Probably why we just go ghost, we go numb. You've hurt my feelings. I was watching TV one day and a nigga said people are naturally superficial, like Jaden Smith and his music. Niggas is fake deep. Da 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 da. The push and pull is exhausting. I'm not the current in the ocean. I gotta dig but get off it. You lost access, forfeit. Gollum from the Hobbit, villainized by corrosion. The pressure keeps piling. Not everyone is strong enough, but then we demonize for folding. Like, why'd you push me if you didn't want me falling? I swear, niggas is tripping. Escape whatever you're sniffing. This is the world that we live in, and I'm still young and I've just arrived, and you telling me I gotta be here? Is this it? Nah. Cause if this is it, then it really for real means that it was all hype. And for real life is a Hong Kong cheap knockoff with good branding, cause wow. It was a scam and Kris Jenner was managing the brand. Da 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 da.